What's up guys? So today we are going to do the unboxing of this solar power bank, which is a 36,000 milliamp power battery. So I'm going to unboxing right now that you guys see what's inside. So it can charge iPad, GPS, cell phones, gaming and more. Also on the back right here it says it's I conversion, A plus battery, good feelings, 90% portable device, and it's quick charge. So guys, as you guys can see right here, this is the power bank. So on the power bank guys, as you can see right here, this part here is a solar panel. So this means that this power bank right here guys can be solar charged. Now on this right here we have 5 different LED lights. So let me turn it around, you guys can see it clearly. So right here basically indicates that this right here is solar. This means that this is charging. As you guys can see right there, this is blinking to 100, and this right here shows the bar. So it's 25%, 50%, 75% and 100%. Now this is basically charging right now as it is in the sun. As you guys can see right there, a little light right there, green light is blinking. That means this is solar charge. Now let's look at the charging port right here. So we have a type A and type C USB port that can be used to charge this right here. So on the part right here we have 3 output. That means this can charge up to 3 devices at once, as you guys can see right here. And on the back right here we see a little light right here. This is basically like a flashlight. So this button right here is for the power button to turn on the flashlight. So let us go to the flashlight real quick to show you guys how the flashlight basically works. So press it. As you guys can see right there, the flashlight is on right now. Even though it is bright daylight, this flashlight might not show so well. Turn it off. Flashlight off. Now the flashlight basically have different modes. You can go into SOS modes and those modes, bright light and dim light. So to get it bright, all you do is turn it on one more time and the light becomes brighter. I'm not sure if you guys seen that because it is daytime and you're not seeing it. So when I hold on it now, right now, let me press it one more time again, and I hold on it, it will turn down. So turn on by holding, press it one time, basically dim, press it one more time again, and it go into SOS mode. So that basically guys, you can see its light is blinking right now. That is in SOS mode. And this basically take up to several hours to charge. I think it take up to more than 8 hours to charge, though this is basically a 36,000 milliamp solar charging at 5 volt up to 300 milliamp. So in terms of solar charging, it can hold up to 300 milliamp, which is pretty impressive. And also input micro at 5 volt, and input type C at 5 volt, and it basically has output type A, USB A, A1, A2 and A3. So guys, this is basically a great power bank. It can hold a lot of charge. This can serve up to several days after hiking. If you want to like go out and hiking and things like that guys, this power bank here is one of the perfect choice if you want to use this on a hiking and things like that. It feels pretty heavy. That means this basically is a strong product that you guys can use, and I think I recommend this product guys, and hope you guys enjoy this review. I think it's a great product that you guys can try, and I also love that it can hold a lot of power, and the thing is it can be solar charged, and it also comes with a flashlight, and this basically is a bonus. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. So if you guys want to like purchase one of these, the link of this guys will be in the description, so you can check the description box to purchase one of these. So yes guys, you can check it out.